everyone, Melissa here, back with another video, and today we're doing a 4-part reaction to, I don't know how to say this, I'm gonna assume it's Xodiac with an X, Special Love, Loossemble, Sensitive, Rocking Dolls, ROA, oh my god, help me here, Skip Out Performance Video, and Cignature, Smooth Sailing. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. And yes, I look a mess, it's midterms, we're dying. I hate midterm season. It makes me look like worse than I normally do. Okay. Ooh, we're getting a little bit Daehui vibes. Little 101. Oh, you know it's gonna be like a pop anthem. You can hear it already. Is this a debut? Because I've never heard of this group. Sorry. That's kind of a bop. It's kind of a bop. I'm sorry. I cannot do these ever. I think this one's my favorite though. I wish I could see like a performance video. I think the choreography would be really cool in a performance version. See, I cannot do that. Hey. He looks familiar. There's just too many competition shows now, but I can't. This is cute. It's giving very competition show. It's very newly debuted, similar to 101 aesthetic in my opinion. They just feel very third gen in a way, and I don't know if it's like maybe the style of the song or the choreography or just like their visuals, but they really remind me a lot of like third generation idols, particularly again 101. I like it. I've reacted to a lot of 101, so that's why my brain consistently wants to compare the two, but obviously two different generations. But I think the aesthetic is very much something reminiscent of like if you were really big into 101 or really into third generation boy groups. I think this group fits that generation really well. I'm curious to see where they go, see like what different genres they try. I think they could really try like a Monsta X kind of genre, because I think they'd probably be good at that as well. So I'm very curious to see the evolution. But up next is Loossemble, Sensitive. Okay. Don't know who you are. Cool, cool. We're getting Cruella de Vil. Like, the thing they're giving me is that they're like the managers per se. Ooh, a little time travel. Not them giving visual. No, they look stunning. Hold on. The visuals right here are beautiful. Like, why is Yojin giving such solo energy? Like, she looks amazing. Oh, I love her. Wow. Why is Yojin kind of being my bias in this group? It's giving callback to One and Only. I like how it's reminiscent of them when they were like Luna and not Loossemble, but I really like the aesthetic. The styling is beautiful. Their choreo's still on point. We expect nothing less. Yes. Yojin's shoes are like so much taller than everyone else's. Oh. Okay, vocals. Yes, Hyunjin. And it's back to like the elderly women. I don't know if that's rude because I don't know who those women are, so I feel like I'm being rude. Yes, we still get plot. Why is she still so stunning? There's like a minute of plot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's 12. And then you can see other members are in 2 of these. Okay. Oh, there's gonna be plot. I'm gonna subscribe because I need to continue the plot. Okay. Is that Olivia? Or Vivi?
언니 왔어?
Oh, that's so sweet.
Call set. Ready to depart.
I love the callbacks. It's very much referring to their past and then like having like their new future as a group. I really like that. This is super interesting. I really like it's really interesting. I keep saying I'm very interested. I'm sorry. I look exhausted. I am. Thank you. Running on 6 hours of sleep for the past 2 days. My hair is horrible from the rain. We're just doing many things right now. Midterms. I love it. I feel like this is very much you can see they're transitioning as idols within this song, and I really like the callbacks and the slight nods to kind of like past Luna lore within this, because I feel like comparatively to Odd Eye Circle's debut, I think I reacted to it on the channel like last month, I think, I see that this one is more not one-to-one, but it's very closely related and kind of bringing you into like what they're going to be doing next. And I really like how they've taken that past and they're kind of like taking their own roles and creating like their new future. I'm very interested to see where they go with this. But yeah, okay. Up next is Rocking Doll Roar. I'm not gonna say it right. Skip out. I keep playing with my hair because it's so bad. I need to like, flat iron it. It's been getting wet every day. Oh. Ooh. Why is she cool? 얘기 안에 숨겨진 네 가족들이 날 겨눠차 같은 absolute level 1, 2, 3, 4 들어볼까 귀 터질 만큼 올린 볼륨 들어봐도 못 참겠지만 explain yourself 1, 2, 3, 4 참만 들까 네가 떨어뜨린 내 value 들을수록 못 들어줄래 excuse no sounds She's giving Sonya a little bit, I'm sorry. Why does this only have 2 million views? I'm sorry. No, she's so cool. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 들어볼까 귀 터질 만큼 올린 볼륨 들어봐도 못 참겠지만 explain yourself 1, 2, 3, 4 참만 들까 네가 떨어뜨린 내 value No, my favorite song. My favorite. Yes. Wait, oh my god. Oh, she slays. Wow. I'm sorry. Why is she so talented? I'm sorry. She's giving me such soloist, like strong soloist energy right now. Period. I love also the really like basic sans font for her like name is wild. Like it's very much Microsoft Word font. But anyway, love, we stan. I feel like she could be a really good soloist, but I know she's in a group. Rocking Doll is like a group that I feel I react to time to time. I don't know how successful this group is. I feel like they're still a very small name. So very interested to kind of see how this goes. Wow, I look a hot mess. Not the hot part. Okay, last song is Cignature, Smooth Sailing. It's been so long since I recorded. It's been 2 weeks, and it feels weird. I was gonna try to imitate that bird, and I said, no, don't embarrass yourself on YouTube. But I've done it before. Okay. I can see the cute school girl vibes of this. Chorus. The way I sound so unsure of why I like the chorus is a little scary. It's not funny. There's nothing funny. I'm just weird. Yes. Ooh. Not the foot content, the 3D concerts. Oh, okay. I don't know why that makes me comfortable. I think because we made it such a big thing, now I'm like very hyper aware of when it happens. The editing was really good on that. It's giving like this at a concert, and I can't. I thought those were like an overlay effect. That's cute. Oh, I like the chorus, and I can't. Ooh, outfit change, cute. I like the chorus a lot. I think this is a very cute summer song. It did come out like a month ago, so I'm like, okay, it was really trying to get to summer. It didn't fully make it as a summer song because obviously it came out super late into the summer, to the start of fall. But I think it's a really cute song. I love the aesthetic. I love the vibes of it. I was surprised at how much I actually really enjoyed that, and I was like kind of embarrassed at low-key that I was like vibing to it a little too much. And you guys I can't really hide that from you, so I hope you enjoy me looking a mess and doing this for you guys. I will look more polished next video. I just wanted to record something. I wanted to record something last night, but I was working on my midterms. Again, I've said that so many times this video. midterms ends next week. Literally ends like after Halloween, but I'm gonna try to do a lot of like releases in this next week and a half to give you guys like Halloween content and reaction content for like the 2 weeks that I haven't uploaded. But anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please pretend that I don't look like garbage. Please. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye. Pulling me up the perfect sensitively taken.